Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. First of all, a quick reminder to anybody who might have missed my announcements and comments in previous videos. For the next week or so, there will be reduced updates here on YouTube. Will still give my best to update on Discord and our members area, but YouTube content will be reduced because I've got a different routine from tomorrow for roughly a week. But after that, we'll be back with our usual routine. Still, there will be plenty of updates on Discord, but also with a different routine. So probably not that spread out throughout the day, more like in the morning and evenings. I explained it all on Discord. So that's just something that you're not surprised if there are less updates in the next 7 days here on YouTube. But there will be other content, different content that will be coming out, and still updates, but just a little bit of a different form and content and routine. So on the daily chart here, I've added an alternative scenario in blue because we now have a 5-wave move up from the August low. Okay, so that's something interesting. I don't like that wave count for various reasons, which I'm not going to go into too much in this video, but it is a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. And that 5th wave could still stretch a little bit higher. In fact, it should. All I want to say is if we start to see breaks of micro support on the shorter time frames, it could indicate that a wave 2 is unfolding. And then this could be a setup for a rally into the 80 to 90K region. Then we could head towards 100K like that, and that could mark the completion of the bull market. This rally has now, it's taken us like, a couple of months, a bit more than that actually. So the correction will likely take some time as well. But this is only the alternative scenario. All I'm saying is if we break support on the 1 hour, this here is the key support level now on the daily, between 53K and 60,760, because this is the 78.6 retracement to 38.2 retracement area from the rally that started in August. Okay, so this is the key support area that will matter from now on the daily. But I would actually prefer the white scenario because it adheres more to my own guidelines, which is a wave 1, a wave 2, and you know that wave count because we've been tracking it. An A wave of 3 here, B wave of 3 here, C wave should get to 73,660 roughly. And then a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now that wave 4 might be deep, so it will be difficult to distinguish it from the wave 2. They share a very similar support area, even though the wave 2 allows for a slightly deeper pullback. Yeah, if needed. So I just want to mention that this is obviously what we're watching for, which means also because of that 5-wave move up, or at least that possible 5-wave move up. Again, I would prefer another 4-5 pattern, but we can interpret it already as complete, that 5-wave move. Because of that, it takes a break below 53K now to, let's say, make the bullish scenario and set up to 100K plus less likely. So that means we continue to be bullish. This is, however, the key support area now on the daily, but that pullback likely hasn't started yet. In the very short term, not much change today. We had a slight additional rally. In the previous video, I told you that one more high would mean that we are likely not in a B wave here. And this will be my view as long as we're holding now 66,660 here on the smaller time frame. The question is now, are we already in this internal 3rd wave, which is very much possible. That's actually how I've labeled it now, because I think the move up could be a diagonal here, the move that started yesterday. So we have 3 waves in 1, wave 2, and 3 waves in 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. But overall, what really matters now to keep going to the upside, the swing low from yesterday must hold. This is located around 66,660. And a break below it could be a first indication that a deeper pullback is starting. Obviously, from now on, we need to be very much aware that deeper wave 2 could play out that I shared with you on the daily chart. If we start to see breaks of support levels now on the smallest time frames, this is what could happen. But I still would like to see further upside more directly, ideally to 71, 72K, ideally even here 73 and a half to 74.4K, this white box. We'll see if we get there. Market is holding still below this trend line here on the 1 hour chart. and has reached 138% extension. So that's a level I mentioned as next upside Fibonacci level to watch. So there's a small pullback now, but nothing that would in any way indicate that we're breaking support. So situation has pretty much not changed on the 1 hour chart. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.